What's the meaning of color separation? Color separation. Color separation.
Color separation. Color separation. Color separation is the process of separating an image's colors into individual color components. This is commonly done to prepare an image for printing and is achieved by breaking the image down into its constituent colors, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, CMYK. Each color component is printed separately, one on top of the other, to produce the final full-color printed image. The result is a high-quality printed image with clear, crisp color separation that accurately reproduces the original image.